Tesla opened the Gigafactory in Texas on April 7, 2022, in a celebratory event called the Cyber Rodeo. The electric automaker's new massive factory measures 338 million square feet and is located in Austin, Texas. Of course, Elon Musk attended the event along with a preview of the upcoming Tesla Cybertruck. The one shown on stage was a working prototype, and apparently, some people were able to get a chance to get up close and personal with the angular pickup, such as in this video from Cyber owners on YouTube. In the walk-around video, you could see that the Cybertruck prototype looks pretty battered and riddled with imperfections. There are considerable panel gaps, along with several misaligned panels, glued on sections, and damaged parts such as the exterior mirrors. Before we get further into the news, make sure you like and subscribe. Now let's get back into the news. To be fair, this Tesla Cybertruck is still a production prototype, so it isn't a surprise to see these imperfections. Some parts here may have been assembled by hand, hence the errors. We've seen several prototypes from other brands before, and they do differ a lot from the production versions in terms of build quality. That said, we're expecting the production version to have a much better build quality than the one you see in the video. Musk claims that the Tesla Gigafactory in Texas has the capacity to produce 1 million cars a year when fully operational. Half of it would be the Tesla Model Y, along with the batteries that Tesla cars use. The Cybertruck will be made in this plant and will go on sale in 2023. Apart from the Cybertruck, a massive wave of new products will arrive in 2023. Musk didn't disclose the names of these products, but reports said that these include the second-generation Roadster and the Semi. Tesla officially launched the Cybertruck back in 2019. The Cyberpunk electric truck will be the most striking vehicle on the road. But we're still discussing it in the future tense because, more than 2 years after its debut, Tesla still has not launched the production version. Even the more optimistic Cybertruck timelines could still have us waiting another year. Piecing together reports, rumors and Elon Musk tweets, the closest thing Tesla has to an official PR department, it's clear the production Cybertruck will be markedly different from the initial release. Here's what we know about it, as of this writing. Tesla's first target for starting Cybertruck production was fall 2021. That didn't happen. It's now 2022, and we still haven't seen a single truck arrive. Elon Musk has said Tesla will not introduce a new model in 2022. The Cybertruck will launch in 2023 as part of a massive wave of new products. Other products purportedly on tap for next year may include the Tesla Roadster, which debuted back in 2017, the Tesla Semi-Truck and a humanoid Tesla robot. Tesla is also reportedly working on a dedicated robotaxi vehicle with full self-driving, a feature that still hasn't arrived yet, in spite of many years of promises. The idea of the Cybertruck arriving in 2023 could mean anything from full-scale production in January to delivering one token truck on December 31st. What we can say with certainty is, it's clear the Cybertruck won't arrive in 2022. Tesla has set the paradigm with its past launches of cool, high-performing electric cars. But the Cybertruck will be different from the Model 3 or the Model S. Tesla will be entering an established electric pickup market and facing off directly against some heavy hitters. Upstart EV manufacturer Rivian brought its R1T pickup to market last year. The GMC Hummer EV Sut and Ford F-150 Lightning will be on the road in 2022. If Tesla delays the Cybertruck further, it's possible GM could have 3 electric trucks on the road before the Cybertruck arrives. Don't expect a dramatic aesthetic departure from the first version. It will still have the same angular, Blade Runner-inspired silhouette. Tesla will still build the exoskeleton from stainless steel and leave it unpainted, though there should be third-party wrap options. We have seen some practical tweaks come to the project. The latest prototype, for example, has conventional side mirrors. And Musk has suggested at various points the production Cybertruck may be smaller than the prototype, as it would be a tight fit in garages and boring tunnels. Tesla's initial Cybertruck plan included single, dual and tri-motor versions. That plan has changed. Elon Musk confirmed on Twitter that the first Cybertruck that launches now will use a quad-motor setup like the Rivian R1T. It's not clear how the rest of the lineup will shake out. Tesla has removed the configurator from its website. One rumor says Tesla will remove the single-motor Cybertruck, the one that would have started under $40,000. Tesla says the Cybertruck will have an adaptive air suspension. The truck will be able to raise or lower 4 inches in either direction. It will also offer a self-leveling function. Elon Musk said the Cybertruck will offer 4-wheel steering. This feature will allow the Cybertruck to crab walk diagonally like the Hummer EV Sut. More importantly, the rear wheels will be able to turn the opposite direction from the front wheels, allowing the Cybertruck to make tighter turns and, like the Hummer, be more maneuverable than it should be in tight spaces given its size. Recent Cybertruck prototypes show no physical door handles. Musk has said the doors will open automatically in the presence of the phone or key fob. It's not clear yet whether there will be some sort of physical override for emergencies. Love it or hate it, the Cybertruck and its futuristic design have a lot going for it. However, with all those polarizing design choices, the windshield wiper is about as dull and ugly as it gets. People can't stop talking about the bare steel outer shell, bulletproof windows, potential 0 to 60 miles per hour speeds for a truck, and everything else Tesla does. That said, one aspect of the Cybertruck is about as basic and practical as it gets, at least for now. And that's the massive windshield wiper blade running up the entire side of the vehicle. In December, we got our first look at Tesla's solution for the massive windshield. At the time, CEO Elon Musk was quick to reply to everyone on Twitter that the design was not final and would not make it to production. Will Tesla and CEO Elon Musk come up with a futuristic answer to the wiper blade problem to match the rest of the unique vehicle? It sounds like Tesla is working on a laser system that can detect when something is on the glass, then clean it, and it recently obtained a patent for the technology. That said, this late in production, we're not sure if the company has enough time to implement it. Last week Tesla opened its new gigafactory in Texas and had a few Cybertruck prototypes out on stage making the rounds. One visitor got some up-close images of the windshield wiper system, and here we are 4 months later, and it's still nothing special. While there's no way to know if it's the final design, Tesla has confirmed it plans to finish designing the Cybertruck this year in time to fully start production and release the electric truck in 2023. We're seeing one large wiper arm with 2 smaller traditional wiper blades so far. And while it's far from pretty or futuristic, it's practical. Using a standard wiper system, owners would be able to easily replace blades as necessary rather than have to deal with some fancy system that extends out of the front or an all-new laser system. Plus, we're not sure how well lasers would handle dirt and snow, considering this is a truck with the expectation that owners will take it off-road. Either way, these latest images from April 2022 suggest that Tesla is either still trying to figure out a solution to its ugly wiper blades problem or that it's settled on what you see above. We'll keep an eye out for more details and are hopeful that by the time this thing hits the streets in 2023, if it does, the company will figure out a more elegant solution. That's it for today. Make sure you like and subscribe